what else, Dave, can help us grow our ARO?
I think a good one would be to shop your parts.
Parts shopping. Okay, I agree. Tell us how, and I know how, but you tell us how that can build up our ARO.
Well, so you sell high, buy low. So you find one that you typically is the highest one, price it out at that price, and then you part shop at least three, and then find you one that's a little bit lower price and raises your RO.
I'm so glad you said that, Dave, and hopefully you guys are all thinking about this and soaking this in and taking good notes, because one of the things about us as service advisors that's unique compared to, say, if you went and sold mattresses or jewelry, or big screen TVs, is that we are also the purchaser. So we're not only selling the product, but we buy the product too. And so now we even have this much more control. We all have a point of sale system that when we plug in this water pump into the ticket, that's going to auto generate what the retail price needs to be, right? And so what Dave is saying, he's like, let's be smart shoppers, apples to apples. You call CarQuest and their water pump's $45. You call O'Reilly's and theirs is $39. Apple to apple, equal quality. Sometimes it's the same brand. One's $6 more than the other. We're going to mark up the $45 one. That's the one we're going to plug into our point of sale, and the auto generate the price off the $45. The customer authorizes the repair. We're buying the $39 one. Does that make sense? Now, there's other good reasons why we should do that. Because Dave, tell everybody what happens if you only shop for one part and it's the $45 one, right? And you buy the $39 one, you mark up the $39 one because you're like, let me help this customer out, right? If I buy this cheaper water pump, it's just as good. It's going to lower the bill, which is great until that $39 water pump, what? Say, Dave?
Breaks.
Well, it breaks, or that they go to pull it, right? And, oh man, I'm so sorry. It showed we had two on the shelf, but we don't have any.
Yeah.
Right? Or they bring it to you and you open the box and guess what? It's a core, or it's just entirely wrong. Now you got this, you marked it off the $39 water pump, but you're forced now to go buy the more expensive one. Does that make sense? Yeah, good. So mark up the higher, buy the lower. Again, apple to apple, same type of quality. That's going to help not only boost up your ARO, but also spread your margins out further.